Okay, we're gonna do a live tutorial on how to chop wood. All you girls out there, you're gonna really appreciate this.
We're going to chop wood and we're going to build a fire together.
Ooh-wee.
One shot. Here
Okay.
we go.
All right, you go. You go, Merk.
First, grab yourself Husky 1000.
Ooh-wee.
Check it out right here.
Ooh.
This is not for hanging pictures. No, no. Do not use for hanging pictures,
Ooh,
okay?
will bad things happen?
Yeah, bad things will happen. First thing you do, take off the protective cover, the safety cover. And look out. Ooh, baby, that is so sharp.
Ooh, get rid of
Be
that little
careful.
doohickey.
Be careful that get rid of this little doohickey. You gotta find a good place where you put it. Look for an apex. When you find an apex, I got no apex. This is a good apex right there. I know right where it's at, okay? Next thing you do is you take a few steps backwards, like I'm gonna do right now. You grab a hold of this baby, Husky 1000. You grab a hold of it, good. One hand here, one hand here. You walk up, you approach.
Ooh.
You have to become friends
Tell
with
us.
your wood, okay?
Tell us,
Become friends
Merk.
with it. Once you become friends, you can kill it. And that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Oh.
Grab a hold,
Wow.
grab a hold, take a big swing, and let it.
Ooh, that's why I married you.
We check this baby out. Now it doesn't look like it did much, but check this out. Oh, there goes. Anyway, and you have
Wow.
one piece of wood right there.
Ooh, is that good for a spring
I'm going to
fire or a
show you
winter
again.
fire?
It's good for any fire, anytime.
Ooh.
Pick it back up. Be careful when you put this thing down. It's very bad. Ooh, ow, be careful. Check it out. Grab it, and swing.
Wow, you must have a PhD.
That is so. Check that out. Isn't that nice?
Ooh.
Set this aside. Be careful. You have to set it in a dangerous place. You can hurt yourself. So I'm going to set right over here. We're going to make these. It's a little bit cold right now, so we're going to make these just a little bit bigger, so we can have a bigger fire. Just a little bit. See how big it is? We're going to keep them like that right there. Okay?
Okay, sounds good. You tell us. You
Okay.
tell us, Mark.
Are you ready to put this to use? Because that's what we're going to do.
I
right
think
now.
we are. I think we are.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to walk right over here. I have made a fire pit right here, and I have made a fire ready to go, and I'm going to do it right now.
Ooh. Whoa,
First, I must remove.
that's a work of art.
Look at
That
that.
is a work of art.
Get out. So here's what I've got. I got myself here a beautiful blowtorch. I love this thing.
Are you serious?
It
You're
is.
not going to blow us up, are you?
No, I'm not going to blow us up. This is my friend. Do not use this in the house. No, no. Very bad.
Will bad things happen?
Bad things will happen. So here's what you do. Grab hold of this. Now, my little.
Is that pain stuff?
That is the propane.
The propane? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
got it.
Okay, now here's the thing. My little igniter right here, it's not working right. See
Wait,
this?
let me get a close up.
See the close up, that little thing there? It's not working right. So I'm gonna have to hand light it, okay? So stand back.
You're not going to blow me up, are
no,
you?
I'm not.
Okay,
I got myself matches.
okay.
Close up of the matches.
Wait.
See that? Okay.
Do you need to get the same brand?
Nah, you can use any brand you want, but this is the brand I use.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so I'm going to turn on the propane. Here you go. Propane is on. Now, you listen here. This is, you can tell when
Wait,
it's
wait,
working.
wait, wait,
You
wait.
can- you-
That's frightening. I'm frightened.
Wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. Okay, give it just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I take it. Love
Boom!
It. Feel the
Oh,
smell of
I was
propane.
just expecting it to boom.
Here we go.
That's terrifying.
Hey, be careful. Careful. Now, I'm going to turn this up a little bit. And you might have to get closer because this thing makes a lot of noise, okay?
Okay.
But now watch what I'm going to do. Look at
Okay.
that. Just look
Speak
at,
right here.
just look at
Speak
that.
to the camera.
Look at the.
Oh.
Check it out. Ooh, wee, baby. Look at that. Look at it going.
There's fire just materializing.
Look at that. Just a minute.
Look what you done.
Look at that. Just wait a minute.
Is it going to stay?
Just that.
Oh, no, not enough. I need to go get me some marshmallows.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Hang on. Hang on. Be patient now. Remember, it's a little bit cold out now, so we're doing
You want me to go get some of that old furniture?
Nope, it's good. We got plenty here. We got plenty. That's our bed right there, by the way.
That's our bed?
Yeah. And there you go. Turn this baby off. That will light myself up a nice fire, and you'll have a nice fire. That's how you split wood, and that's how you start a fire.
And you didn't even get a bloody knuckle.
Nope, I didn't need to.
Wow.
You shouldn't have
You
to.
see, that's why I
It's not
married
part
you.
of it. See, this is Merk and Sam signing off. Be sure you give me that thumbs up, ring that bell, give me a call, whatever you have to do. If you like this, there's more coming.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Honey, that is a beautiful fire. We could do all kinds of cooking on that fire. You got one more thing you want to say?
One more thing I wanted to tell y'all is never, this here's a Cutco knife. Never ever use this for split wood. Never, ever. No. Very bad. You become enemies with your girl. So never use this. I mean, never,
You
ever,
show them.
ever,
You show
ever.
them why. You show them why. Oh.